Good morning and welcome to Squiddy on the Move. I've had a damn good rest. I had a good 8 hours in bed. Now I'm leaving the hotel I was just in, so I'm heading to the next destination. But it's like a 10-minute walk, so I decided not to get a cab. I'm gonna walk with my luggage. Let me show you my luggage. So I'm gonna do a good 10-minute walk with these bad boys. Let's see how I do. Made it in one piece. So, made it to the room, second floor. Let's see, oh, door's already open. Ooh, wait, switch the lights on. Can't think. There we go, so. I feel this one's a lot better than the last one. Bed, little couch, toilet, and a window. So yeah, can't complain. I'm gonna head out now, so I'm gonna go to the Temple of Heaven and Wangfujing Street, something like that. There's like loads of random stuff there, so let's go. First McDonald's I've come across. Let's try Luckin Coffee. So I got a coconut latte. First time trying one, but I've heard about the hype. Let's try it. You can taste that coffee. There's jelly inside it as well, and some nice thick cream. I don't know what they put on top of it, but it's like really thick cream. I think it's like condensed milk or something. But yeah, really nice. Definitely recommend it if you're in China. Look how busy it is, but look how beautiful it is as well. It's so nice around here. Do you know what I really miss? Walking paths. I wish there was more of this around the Middle East, because accessibility by walking path just makes life easy. I hate driving everywhere actually. And you know what? It actually keeps you fit. What's really nice about being in China is you've got steps whenever you're going up, but you've also got a lot of wheelchair accessible places. So there's like lots of ramps. So that's really cool. Mr. Bean. I definitely recommend coming a bit earlier and definitely reserve your tickets. Let me show you why. So I've entered the Temple of Heaven now. Tickets were around about 34 each for the through ticket, so that gives you access to the gardens, but you can also get these basic tickets as well. I think they're a bit cheaper. But I recommend getting the through ticket because then you can go to the gardens. So let's take a look around. Wow, look at that. Can you see behind me the Temple of Heaven? Do you know what? It feels really surreal to be here. Oops, someone's just dropped a glass. But it feels really surreal to be here, and it's amazing to think that emperors used to come here years ago to pray. Sure, you can appreciate how busy it is around here. It's really overwhelming around here. I'm just surprised at how busy it is, honestly. Maybe it's because it's the weekend as well. I've just left the temple. It closes around about 5:30, but I'm going to stick around the park. I want to see what it looks like in the evening and how nice it looks. Looks like everyone else has the same idea. What's that? The moment of truth. I'm done at the temple now. Let's get something to eat. Found myself a noodle spot. Let me show you. I know I said noodles, but I actually ordered rice. Terrible with chopsticks, so let's give it a try though. Nice. Not spicy. It's white rice, so it's plain, but it's really nice. Actually, it's really fluffy. Yeah, let's try some of the vegetables. It's got a bit of chili in it, but it's nice. Demolished. Okay, I finished dinner now. On my way to Wangfujing Street, pedestrian street. Apparently there's a lot of interesting stuff there, so let's see. Check this out. I think Huawei have their own cars. I've made it here. Let's see what's in store. If you want any souvenirs or any snacks to take away, 39 RMB for 500 grams. I came to Wangfujing for the exotic creatures and insects, but unfortunately the gate behind me is where they are. It changed places on Google Maps. It's closed at the moment, so what I'll do is I'll come back on another day. Pinky promise. See you guys in the next one.